What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today is freaking sweet because we got the Comanche up and running, and it's freaking awesome. So, the Comanche, we still have some wiring to do and to deal with, but it runs and it purrs like a kitten. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that running clip here right now. As you can tell, that was pretty freaking awesome. We still have a lot of work to do. This is a yay moment, but it's like, all right, we still got to keep going. So new things that I want to show you guys that we've done. Even after that, we have our drip rails on. So I got those powder coated. I got those on both sides. We've got our, obviously because it ran, we have our, oh, there's the battery swing down, by the way. Isn't that cool? It's freaking awesome. Anyways, got our fuel lines situated with the fuel filter in line. produced 60 psi idle, and when you wide open throttled it, she kept up, so no issues there. We have our custom AC lines on. I had to get, so this is the original line, and then we chopped it, and then we soldered it to an end, which you were capable of putting this guy on and this guy on, and it made it all one system. This whole thing was custom made except for this part, which again was woohoo off the factory OEM stuff, soldered to a connector, and then boom, ran that up. So that's how we have that situated as of right this exact second. Not sure how that's gonna work, but we're gonna make it happen. There is a mount for the airbox now, so the airbox is still, has a little bit of give, but now it's mounted in there. We still need to hook up the alternator, so that's why we have the battery box swung down, and we've got our charger on it and everything. That way we can run it and do what it's got to do. Got our fuel lines hooked up here. Nice, pretty stainless steel. Braided lines. There's the Holley fuel pressure regulator. If you didn't see it in the little clip. We have her brakes fully bled, so now she has brakes. We made our transmission shifter cable mount. If I could show you, where are we at? Oh, I'm way away from it because I'm an idiot. Sorry. God, you can't see crap. There we go. So we've got our mount made for our transmission shifter. It's not exactly straight, but we just need to bend that out a little bit, but we have it made. We're not even really there yet, but we've got our wideband installed into the exhaust manifold right there. So that little guy right there. Got wideband installed into the exhaust manifold, or the downpipe, whatever you want to call it. Other than that, it's just been playing with wiring. I'm sure we've done a few more things. We have the cable routed for the alternator routed around here. We have our AC lines finally hooked up, both upper and lower. Hell, there's not really much else going on besides wiring. Oh, in the interior, we have all the wires hooked up and tucked out of the way. So disregard this. This is for the Pro Dash. So, but you can see down there, we have it all plugged up, and we had it all up and out of the way, but we took some of it down to mess with a few more wires. But it's all plugged up and was out of the way, but now we just dropped it back down. Yeah, we're still just playing with wiring. Really not a whole lot to mention here. We filled it up with gas. Yeah, pretty much this video, the main part of the video is to show you it runs. You can hear it, you can see it, and got the winch wired up. It's got coolant, it's got oil, it's got fuel, it's got transmission fluid, it's got all its fluid, brakes work. So yeah, so here soon, once we get all the wiring tucked away, put in its place, we can finally wire up the lights for the interior and the tail lights and the turn signals and the fuel pump sending unit, the fuel gauge. Once we get that wired up, we can do carpet, seats, the interior panels, fix the transmission mount, bend it to where that rod is straight to her, and we're done. We can start driving it. So guys, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. I know this is not usually how I do my updates, but the main thing in this video was to show you it runs and how badass it is. But guys, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. We'll see you.